This is bad precedent. Ebusia, Bron regional people chairman, Kwame Bafa Abronye this will be clash with John Mahama. Any office of the presidency. Efa Enra. Krata if you Oma Asway Eba said Chief Justice talk no Araba ye if you want Abronye abe clash with Mahama. In fact, and some Abronye be juju ano washi esine tuduru mema wo kiremu no akire wadwen amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mess was say need mo obe like video no other ma subscribe button number click notification icon just update number kire wadwen de amame e wo comment section mess was obaswa no achi video for so enya bi ahwe it is somewhere match mu any committee bi afọ me I say omi ehwemu afa Chief Justice talk no Araba Saki omi ehwemu afa mu I say Mahama pese oyinedi e even there was a suspension temana committee e ya gbo hwe ni nsem nyina no na Madam Mr. Edda suspension, so the position as Chief Justice is being suspended. And one also take yourself no to many courts, even what they call African Parliament. You know, just say, my media 7 and anti senka, you know, obe justice, obe fairness, obe protect democracy in Ghana. But said I don't know, no, you know, amfa, masa. I don't know amfa. Because me take cross the ceiling get to a say, my man, when you are the oil, or one cat of power, only through Hong Kong. Yes, I have. Of all pass them could not be any. Of us have gone down for heavy. Yeah, they feel it. Of all us have gone to above for no heavy or hair. Yeah, they may well the end this letter could nothing you won't show us, Master. You may ready. What is it? You may ready. And my last 2 weeks, in Broville Catro say, even UK bar, that's a UK lawyers, Quano, Ed Omano, about 2 and Semimu, and Omo Catama say, Master, own to me to Ghana, Honor on your pet. My men I was suspended. Or state the position as Chief Justice, not only the oil. As I was coming, Shemanra, on the crater be every office of the president as a first Buzukache, and SRC, no Mahama, SRCB. And a crater about one. They go here and say, Chief Justice, Yainedi Mahama Juna, Article 146, Section 9. So, Ainedi, say, is a mamma on yet Chief Justice. Bim, I'm appointed Liverpool as acting Chief Justice very soon. Mahama ebeswe bakro in. Na eno no ana Kwame Bafa Abronye this wabeke kanadwen e wo ye gotie nesma oka emra.
Abone na aba nipatima. Obi na nida ho bia no ntimi nyina petition no so say na edi kan kora no me establish premier facie case na mate committee ama na hwehwem. Ne ewom ne say and this yamanyo kuo said the President Mahama di kankan ye no ebra no wo position say oba make sure so oba reset judiciary no eye ne campaign manifesto a waye na dwen say o man judiciary no and this be reset no can prefer say oba make sure say and this lawyers no odo o mo be ko bench no makwa servo se be ya echina krono a andisi bebo a o mo ofri ase yi a 8 months nie no wo mo de $11 billion e na aka o man no sika ho no sa ban bi sesa wo benya favor e wo judiciary no ni o mo ye nyina no NDC as a political party ma balmu meye akwan papa bi to say yewura nanado danko akofo 8 years oni baumia administration no asphalt upon asphalt greater Accra ha ye nyina ye hu ukwa Asante Mantama ye hu ukwa Central region ye hu ukwa Western region ye hu NDC as a political party ba balmu a wo mo wadene ba ko say akwanya ye nya no boni bia sise dibia yenni akekura 8 years ye kofia akekura 8 years Ghana for ebesande yaba andi sitam bia no adwene kita omono no enti so omo ba ban mu a enya Ghana for na andi si ba be serve omo na mo mba be serve omo ho omo ankasa omo mandate na Ghana for de ma andi si so omo serve Ghana for no enye no ena andi si di ye adwuma na mo ba mandate na ye dia mo so mbeso mo man no mbeso mo a mo hu no mo yafunu enti mo wia man na so jaye kwana acha Ghana fo yara yirefire 8 years ombesamba na sebe ya o machi be kata no manya judiciary ni support no nti yene obi a onye bone da na all the chief justice no because you feel say enye ye party na di chief justice ne bae nti ye bepam no o mampanyin dada ye ma abakosem ansana yakọ ensem no ne mpempenso ankasa ma hwefo ne atiefo ahu ba bia oman no esa ye twa to president ye da ho na se tena bi action koso a obi ankokasa abronye tan obi na mom sana eda honom no ababa ye mra ye nyina di bedi so ababa ye convention eye convention a esan ye president eda ho the first convention no na mom ye wa abakosema ye nya ye fourth republic ya ese se ya hwefo ni ye tiefo ye den ete ase ni di kan ebra ye nya ye fourth republic no ye wura Jerry John Rawlings oye ni ku ni nyina kire no eba ye 1981 no oba ye o make sure say judiciary nbewo oba ya be 7-8 term ni wie ye no o mampanyin dada dona jekum kufo ebe to chief justice ya President Rawlings ena appointee no o mampanyin kufo ni ya adwuma kopem se okọ pension wamfa ne nsa anya den anka no onini ya adwuma ewie ye ema nipa no ye den eserve wie ye as a chief justice omampanyin kofo se saa ne ye kekere oman nti onini omampanyin kofo ye adwuma because wanka se wo ye chief justice nyame na me do ba ye Rawlings na appoint o nti I can't work with you said the constitution ne do no president aba na nam so ama Ghana fo akoto aba yi no na wasai se Ghana mampanyin no be protect no uphold the 1992 constitution no o ma ye nyina ye te ase say on Rawlings chief justice be ye adwuma sanse nya Rawlings na di nipa na bawo na mom the 1992 constitution ya ye mienu nyina ye di atom say sabuku we aga na nyina ye sunsum wom no eno ne yedi bu man no eno na di chief justice ne bai etime kofo ma ba beto a constitution kra na di chief justice bai eno aso ne nam so a mentu masai etime ne be ye adwuma mampanyin kofo ene chief justice no eye adwuma Rawlings na appointee no owie ya oyi ne de the later kwa num nyina ba ye ebe firi mu koye or the former chief justice George Wood ye den ebaye ehona NDC started here right from 2009-2010 womo timi di demonstration ekoko wura court asema kokko to kura na ichu aba womo timi kase sa case we de womo ma chief justice nyeren entena so bi na chief justice Maame George Wood on pass 70 no watwe ne ho womo huna no throughout but pressure upon pressure womo de ma the late Professor Mercy no okase no Chief Justice George Wood onye hwe etime mfa mensa nyeden enka no na didi mu a na okoye na mpipi baaye nanu ye beto abai no mama wiase nyina te se judiciary no enim afa na mo ba start afiri ne soro e de abafam mu yi omo no na mo de NDC fo ehiem but MPP wa bai mu no ye ne NDC former MP Justice Buadi a wadi MP 2 term ewa hanta etimi ye adwuma MPP wa ban mu no yene NDC former Deputy Minister of Agric and our Rollins Penso yene na ye adwuma from Kofua Penso Eba Besi Nanado Penso as a Justice of the Court of Appeal Yamfa Yansanka no eye Justice Kobe. Yes. The late Justice Kobe. Omampanyine Kofua ene ni ye adwuma Omampanyine Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ene ni ye adwuma and so Justice Kobe serve as a former Deputy Agric Minister. Oh, Court of Appeal yanka say Rollins Penso waye Deputy Minister of Agric enti waba judiciary na or baba ye NDC ni dabi ye nim se emra na wasua no e kire se ba bia wakwa akotena no o ye ne bibibia obeye impartial ye ne ye adwuma ma ne koya Court of Appeal kopem so ye den o film Justice Body Agusu wo ho. Even at the time MPP na what power no. Na MPP a winning election no. Na as a former MP and or High Court Justice Body what the NDC MP our hunter 8 good years no. Otimi urura wiakete evaketi amewu elections MPP anka say wadi NDC MP da o ya MPP ni enti edi petition ekọ ni yakọ akọpam no amanfo bahwa o mampanyini dwama ama baaye judges ya emako nso a wapa wo mo 7 justices to the Supreme Court mako enso a wodo omuko Supreme Court a ebra no your opposition leader na all power by force Idi Amin no o se Supreme Court de ni kwan say ye de judge bia akoka ho no oba ye ode nso na akọ sa 7 judges na amampanyini do omakọ no emu miensa na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo e na appoint omu to the Supreme Court. Seven justices Mahama do Mako Supreme Court no. Emu mako and 9 Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo and appoint omu to the Court of Appeal. Meaning say senka ye the politics na ye adwuma de a na chese sankrofo ne NDC for ba Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo e promote omo e do omo ko Court of Appeal ama ne mo ba ye no mo do omo ko Supreme Court. And mako 4. Nanu the 7 justices mako 4. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo penso and no munya Court of Appeal. And na nei mo bae mo do mo ko Supreme Court. Enti sanka ye kase we ye say we kita edini we or free region way and to ye say enti yam fanen Court of Appeal ka ye nye say ya. Ba nya no na ye hwe. Ni ye hwe nipa na dwuma all ye as a judge. Ni ya hwe se Court of Appeal na ye de ne ko deserve ana. Ye do mu nyina ko Court of Appeal. Ama ne mo bae in less than 1 year. Emu mako 4. Mo do mo ko Supreme Court. And no kira se nsema na mo ka e wo Supreme Court to say. Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo de nkrofo MPP for ko Supreme Court ne Court of Appeal no. Na nye nokore because the very people amuwa kisu Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo say or appointed MPP for at the High Court Supreme Court ne Court of Appeal no. Mobile no san crofo no mafamu mako 4 edo mako Supreme Court. E mako 4 modo mako Supreme Court. Enti asema mo ka no opposition say na nado danko akofo ado ne Baumia government appointed MPP for to High Court, Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court no. Mo buy a san crofo no. Wo mo ya MPP for dia, mo do mo ko Supreme Court yere. Now, yamra the issues at hand. Say, petition na mo present here for the Chief Justice removal no. Ya free be fair hearing. Etisem me makwa saman elomas ewo court. Na me di elomas ya court no. Say, yam hwehwem. Na enkrata media gina so a me saman elomas no me man copy. Ohun copies. So far Chief Justice ya remove no neya. Ni case ya abaya. But mo amose nya nokore no. Me the warrant of removal no ebe show e screen yi so. Amo bia dia tum se nedie. President John Dramani Mahama. Let's ignore about the Felix Fosu Kwachi. Ne, let the units amose eno na munyinia. Warrant of removal from the president signed by John Dramani Mahama. Any a cover letter, executive secretary to the president, at the Toswo, at the command, the former chief justice, former chief justice, no, at the command, no. Producer, show, page 2, no. Otiasie, eti ye mamunyina ma hu say, higher the evidence show. Nti ye kan ye the news no brama mo so Felix elected ye ebi kura na nye sa no ye mama who elected signed by the president himself warrant of removal odi remove the president when nyina no eye chetiti kata na draft ye e no de koma omo the warrant of removal was drafted by chetiti kata. And all the command say near prepare no mon sign. Na mon fanko. Everything. Because muntio. Case ya. Daniel for the case, you know. Mama parties, you know, petition and respondent, you know. So mon fale. Wamo written submission. And in that way, and Monday, and former Chief Justice. Oko file ni written submission. Enti ye da obia muso me file ni written submission Monday. Na ma prepare report at the akwa president Sunday. Enti before answer na mo ka kire ne say on fa ni report ni written submission mra. E kire say asem no oni hu for the final argument ya na say crossing argument no on fa mra no. Or there are 2 people so and then Monday no de koye sa enra Sunday na mo the report no Saturday no my report no Saturday at the report na kwa president Sunday enra Sunday 31st producer show warrant na mo check yes the akwa no obi amaka kire ne say me file ni final crossing argument and written submission no and then oko file ye sa no ma mo report akwa submit report no ma report no 29th August our president IBM producer BM warrant of removal and BM no mu ni ye yes what evidence na me dey ba no kwase show other page ni ka ho evidence na me dey ba no funding so omo ye nyina no a justice for man ye witness ya wada no judge call the next year president sign e wase ho mo bia hu show the next page now Yes. Producer, the next page. Yes. Signed by John Dramani Mahama and Nadahono. Nti mo ana modi achinye no ene Nadahono. Signed by John Dramani Mahama. Warrant of removal. Nti afere mo dia to 1st of September 2025. And Nadahono. For executive secretary letter no so. Producer for executive secretary letter no so. You forward the way no warrant of removal no president sign we no executive secretary so the letter to so at the command chief justice and in the hono. Yes, signed by Kalus Mahama, executive secretary to the president. And you be a so me filing the submission and then Monday no ma prepare report 29th August. Ako submit report no 31st August, but I'm also in Panama file written submission. Now, when the any basis for all justice for mine, all the any misconduct, or catch that a plaintiff in a matter say, I'm filing a written submission on this day. Justice Asiedu, mo catch that a plaintiff say, and our respondent say, I'm filing a written submission on this day. Or before a respondent never can jano. Date ya mo seti ya kranya yinu na moano. Mo judgment ya ready. And just say before answer mo catch respondent so on file written submission no na mo mama me mo judgment ya wie. And the nya misconduct mboa. Ya boa no da ho. Ya be pepa ho kama near the atobabi.
So when in Samoa Abronye DC kwamba fa Abronye wobehwe agu from so farasa Mahama wa chief justice Eddie no eye concern obetima kire wa adwen amame e wo comment section aha yi Penyah Block Media Accra.